Guys, welcome to another video. So I've had a parcel arrive from Kredioo, which is a store on Amazon, and they've sent their new nail art brushes. We're not going to be using these today, but I just wanted to show you them very quickly. And then they've also sent some Efile bits. So these are mainly ceramic bits, pink ceramic bits as well, guys. How cute are they? So we've got a little brush. This is really good for, you know, if you've sugar glitter into a wet gel polish and then cured it, this is really good to get the excess glitter off. You've got a little cuticle ball there. That is a diamond bit. And then all these are ceramic bits. Red is fine, blue is medium, and green is coarse. So I thought what I'll do is, I desperately need to get my nails off, as you can tell. How long ago was it I did this one? Hey, look at the growth on it. I am a nightmare at maintaining my own nails, guys. I really am a nightmare. So I thought we'll use these bits today and see what they're like at taking my nails off. I'm also going to be using the Kredioo Efile. I have done a video on this. If you've not seen that one, I shall leave that video at the end of this one if you want to head over and check it out. This Efile is so pokey. I was really impressed with how good it was. Look how cute it is. It is so tiny. Look at that. But like I say, it was a really good Efile. So you plug that in there like that. I like this little case that these come in as well. It's nice that you've got some extra holes. It's always good to have extra holes. And look, you can, it like opens like that and you can stand it up. How cool is that? So they're easier to grab hold of. Right, so let's get these nails off, shall we? So I'm only going to show you me doing this one nail, because if I show you all five, it's just going to be too repetitive. So I'm going to start off by debulking all of that product using this blue drill bit. So this drill bit's called a large barrel top, and it is a medium grit.
Nothing better, just spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. Luminous around like a star in the skyline. Got to look so good, oh boy, I need a so bad in my life. Show you where you wanna go. London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, show me where to go. Don't need no luggage, nah. Don't need no stress, guy, nah. Just me and your songs alright, yeah. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
So that's most of the product debulked, and now I'm going to go in with this red bit. This is called an umbrella top, and it is a fine grit. And I just want to say, guys, this is not the way you should be holding an Efile, but I am using my non-dominant hand, and I just find holding it like this, I had a much firmer grip. But yeah, you shouldn't hold your Efile like this. So that's pretty much all the product removed now. That teeny tiny bit, what is left on my nail plate, I will just buff off with a buffer, and that'll be my nails all removed. Right, guys, so I'm just going to show you me prepping this one nail. I've already done the other ones off camera. So I'm starting off by using my cuticle pusher and just pushing them back.
I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
And I'm using the scraper scrape away any excess skin stuck to my nail plate. Now I'm going to be using the ball bit from Kredioo, and again my Kredioo Efile. Now I want this to be pushing against my cuticles like that, so it's pushing them backwards. I've got this on a very, very low speed. And I'm just teasing that excess dead cuticle skin off. I'm not touching my fingernail at all. I'm only going over the skin. Right guys, that's my nails and cuticles all removed. So I'm just gonna, if I can find it anywhere. Now just gonna pop a little bit of cuticle oil. I really like this cuticle oil. It's not greasy at all. It doesn't leave your hands feeling super greasy. It's lovely. Give that a little rub in, rubby dub dub. And that's them all ready for a brand new set. And I can't wait. Like I said guys, I'm going to leave all the links in my description box below. And I'll pin them in the comments as well, along with my discount code. I think this is a really cool, cheap little set. It does the job. I'm not going to lie and say they are the bestest drill bits that I've ever used. But for the price, you really can't go wrong. And they do the job, that's the main thing. I think they'd be great for a beginner just starting out, because you've got a variety of all different bits. So I want to say a massive thank you to Kredioo for sending us these to have a look at. Thank you so much. I really hope you enjoyed the video guys. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel as well if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.